seems Delhi has a new it place for all things motorcycle. Intrigued, Kailash Menon decided to investigate. And here's what he saw.
Now you could be having the coolest bike in the world. It could be a crotch rocket that maxes out at 300 kilometers plus per hour, or it could be a cushy, comfortable cruiser. But you know what? What's important to look cool on that motorcycle is good protective gear. The trouble is, getting authentic gear is a painful process. I mean, either you scavenge on the internet, look for motorcycle gear retailers, or haggle with middlemen in India, or call up your elder brother in the US or UK or Europe, wherever, and ask him to bring it along. The problem is, when the gear does finally arrive, you find out that it's either fake or fits your girlfriend much better. So I think a one-stop shop like this that deals with apparel, accessories, helmets, gloves, everything under the sun that scream motorcycle is the way to go. It's called High Note Performance, and it is a biker's den in Delhi. It's got boots, jackets, helmets and performance upgrades. They are the official distributors, and they've got Shark helmets, Momo helmets, Vance & Hines exhaust, Revit jackets. And yes, I'm totally name dropping here, but they've got the best brands.
The advantage of the customer then is that he can actually walk into our store, try the products, see the color, see the sizing, and only buy it when it fits him. If there is a problem on the product going forward, he can bring it in, we will change it under warranty. If it can be repaired, we'll repair it under warranty. So there is no difference between the Indian customer and a customer in the US or in Europe now.
You know what the saying is, good gear is not cheap and cheap gear is not good. But here's the thing, though they stock up on big brands, even if you don't have deep pockets, you could buy yourself an AFX helmet for 6 grand, you could buy yourself a Revit jacket for 14 grand, and you could buy yourself TCX boots for 8 grand. If you ask me, that's not too bad. And for the well-heeled, sky is the limit, quite literally. Costliest TCX boot, 25 grand. The best Shark helmet for 32,500 rupees. And the Revit jacket with complete body armor will set you back by 30,000 rupees. And if you got still some cash to spare, then you could soup up the bike with the right sort of sounds. So you just bought your Harley Davidson, but you think it sounds a bit too meek for your personality. Well, you could come in here and buy the stuff of the legends, Vance & Hines Performance Exhaust System. And I bet if you throw one of these on your motorcycle, it's going to sound menacing.
Somebody's bought a Harley Davidson or a metric cruiser or a sports bike and they require an exhaust or any other parts for their motorcycle. We have a studio where we sit down with them, we walk them through the different options that they have. We help them through the selection process, and then we bring them the part and we ensure that it fits on their motorcycle.
And the real good news, you could shop online and the shipping is free all over India. So if you want to steer clear of spurious stuff, High Note Performance should be your pit stop.
Ever see a cool car or a hot motorcycle and wonder what it'd be like to own that bad boy? Well, we most certainly have, and we decided to find out. Here's life with the 2012 Bentley Continental GT.
It's the 2011 Bentley Continental GT.
Oh, she's an 8-ball. She's rolling faster than a white wall. She's got an avalanche.
It's just a little bit different from the older version. What I have on this is, of course, the LEDs, which you can see here, the new lighting shapes or whatever. The engine's been tuned a little bit, so it's a little bit faster compared to the normal older one. However, it's not as fast as the Super Sport. Suspensions are a little bit softer on these, and in terms of interior, they worked on a little bit on the touchscreen side because the older one didn't have a touchscreen, the new one has a touchscreen. And then there are minor details, of course. Well, honestly speaking, it's, of course, really prestigious to be driving one of these cars in India. However, I'd say it gives you a lot of attention which you don't want it on a regular basis. Say you're driving to the office or something, you stop at a red light or something, and next thing you know is people staring through the windows, everything. So it's not really a pleasant feeling. However, on a Saturday night when you're going out, I think it's the best feeling of the night. about 310. But it's quite easily possible to do it in Gujarat for the fact that we have great roads here.
Taking steady aim at the big shot. It's hard to miss the rolling.
Well, there are two kind of people who generally ask me. Someone who's really passionate about cars, of course, and among my friends and stuff, they'd want to know more on the technical side to it. They'd want to know just how it feels and regular stuff which a car freak would ask you. And then there are questions which you're pulled over by someone in the middle of the street, including cops actually. And what they want to know is how much is the car for? How much is the average on one of these things? Where did you buy it from? They think with the B, they actually, the common people, they actually mistake it to be a BMW even for once, which is quite strange, but these are the kind of questions I'd have to deal with. But let me also add to that, I don't answer any of that. I just look straight and I drive off.
And that's our show for this week. We've had a great time making it. We hope you've had a good time watching. Remember, if you do want to watch the show online, you can at timesnow.tv or youtube.com. Till next week then, ciao.